Just another sunny
Oh,
day
oh my God, it actually
in
feels...
Southern California. It's where the people came to play.
Snag the Kitsch sales when they come up. Hello, hello, hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about fashion, owning your own business, lifestyle, life in Buffalo, following a gluten-free diet, hair stuff. Today we're getting into hair and I'm so excited about it. So if you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I have stick straight hair. This is how my hair looks when I get out of a shower and just blow dry it and let it just like, but no tools, no special, like I literally just let some heat from the blow dryer hit my hair. This is how it dries. It dries stick straight.
And I'm not
really like a hair girly in that I don't know how to curl my hair. I literally have never been able to figure out how to get a good curl in my hair using a heated curling iron. I've tried curling wands. My friend recently taught me how to use a straightener and get a curl with a straightener, but as I tried to do it myself, my skills were not the best. And so I admittedly am just not that good at hair styling, all the hair care things. I've recently been taking a hair supplement that I'm obsessed with. It's the JS Health Hair and Energy Supplement. I'll link it below.
I really am obsessed. It is incredible.
But aside from that, I haven't really been doing much in a like hair evolution journey. And so I recently made an order from Kitsch, which makes heatless curlers. They make a bunch of hair care relating tools, shampoos, conditioners, all the things. And I did a $98 haul from Kitsch and I got so many things. So I want to show you what I got as a way of inspiring you to up your hair care routine and just feel really good about the things that you're investing in and know that you are not damaging your hair with the different tools and like processes that you're using. So let's get into the Kitsch haul.
See what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only
Okay, so let's get into the haul. So the first item in the haul that we're gonna start with is the Satin pillowcase. I ended up getting two Satin pillowcases because when you buy more than one, you get a deal on the cost of the Satin pillowcases. And I realized if I'm gonna get one, I actually may as well get two because at some point the one is gonna be in the wash and then I'm not gonna be able to keep using the Satin pillowcase. So this is my
Solution.
Here is the reason why people love Satin pillowcases. It helps to tame frizz and reduce hair breakage. It helps to aid skin in retaining moisture. It helps to reduce breakouts. It helps prevent facial creases, and it's really gentle on like your eyelashes, your eyebrows, your skin, and your hair. So this is actually much more gentle to be sleeping on. And of course I got them in the sage green because just look at this color. Isn't it so pretty? So I am so excited about these two.
in Southern California.
I will open one up so that you can really see the color. Oh my goodness, the material is so nice and soft. Holy crap. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could feel it, but I'm sure that you can just see even through the camera how amazing, silky soft. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. I'm so excited about this. So this is the Satin pillowcase. Next up in the haul, I have the Satin pillow roller. The way that these rollers work, essentially this is a way to get heatless curls, and the way that you put them in is you do like slightly damp hair and you basically start to take a section of your hair, you start rolling up from the end upwards towards the scalp, and then you tuck your hair really like securely so that the tip of your hair doesn't stick out, and essentially you kind of roll them up You can do them in totally different areas and stuff like that, since it is a set of 6 of them. So you've got 6 to work with. You can see here on the back of the box how they recommend, and that's honestly one thing I love about Kitsch, is that everything has like all of the recommendations and everything like that. So you can literally see the exact steps for how to use these pillow rollers. They are 1 inch diameter in thickness, and the purpose is to wear them overnight and allow your hair to fully dry. And then when you wake up and you take them out, you've got really nice bounce and body. So I got the pillow rollers, and I specifically got these because I have main Kitsch heatless curler, which I will show you guys later because I actually think I'm gonna try and use it later.
But because I love that main roller,
and I have really thin, fine hair, I wanted to try out the other solutions that they have. So the pillow roller came highly recommended, so I got these. And what I also got, moving on to product number 4 that I got in the haul, because we got those 2 pillowcases, then the pillow rollers. I also got the satin wrapped Flexi rods. They really bend in a way that secures the rollers in place so that you don't need any pins or clips. These are very similar, but this is more for that kind of like blowout, just went to the salon, you've got like body in your hair, kind of more of like an overall body volume wave, whereas these are more for curls specifically. The directions are totally different, and the after result is much more of like that tight kind of boing curl. So I wanted to give myself 2 options because I'm on a curly hair journey. I want to be able to give my hair some curls and some wave without using heat and damaging my hair, because the quality of my hair health really matters to me. The Flexi rods and the pillow rollers are 2 different options for heatless curls. And again, like I mentioned, I'll show you guys that 3rd option for heatless curls at the end of the video. So let me move on to the final 3 things that I got. Next up, we have these No-snag elastics. I recently got a bunch of little mini elastics from Amazon, but when I tell you they snag, they literally like rip chunks of my hair out. And the reason why I wanted some clear elastics is because I want to start to be able to do some more fun, creative things when it comes to styling my hair. So like in an ideal world, I'd love to be able to like take a little piece like that, do a little mini braid here, mini braid, and then kind of put them back like that together and do fun things like that. But to do that and to have it look really good and clean, you need clear elastics. You need something clear so that you're not seeing these like chunky or even just these kinds of hair ties. Like I actually am really trying to move away from hair ties like these because they are not good for your hair. They literally rip your hair out, they damage your hair. It's not good. And if you're on a hair health journey like I am, you're looking for things that are not going to damage your hair, that are going to protect it. So these no-snag elastics are great. There are 100 of them in here, and this was like $3, I think, on the Kitsch website. Everything that I bought was super affordable. Kitsch was having a full-blown anniversary sale.
so I got 25% off.
I order in total, so I actually only spent $74. But the retail value for everything that I got is $98.
Holy crap, everything is just
So affordable, it's crazy.
Actually, you know what I'll do for you guys?
Here's the pricing that I paid for everything that I got. These 2 satin pillowcases came to $38. The pillow rollers were $14. The satin flexi rods were $16. The no-snag elastics were $6. The last 2 things that I got, which I will show you, my Creaseless clips 4-pack was $10, and the Scalp exfoliator was $7. So those are the full prices of everything, and then like I told you guys, I got like 24 something off. Let's move on to the last 2 things in the haul. I got this Scalp exfoliator. Apparently a scalp exfoliator is huge for triggering and like stimulating hair growth. It also says gently massage your scalp and help reduce buildup. Use it while washing your hair to detangle your hair and exfoliate your scalp. And there we go. Here's my little... Oh, that feels so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited about this thing. Holy crap. So this is the, I already have hair in it. Cool. This is the exfoliator. So moving on to the final item in the haul, I have these eco-friendly creaseless clips. The premise of these is essentially to keep your hair out of your face when you are doing makeup. That's exactly why I got them. I have been needing something like this for quite a while. So this literally says the creaseless clips are a makeup maven's must-have, made with recycled material. These clips are kind on your hair and the environment, securely hold hair sections out of the way during makeup application and easily remove without a crease. Take one of my clips here. Oh my god, this is actually going to be so freaking nice when I am doing my makeup, to be able to go like that and just have my hair out of the way and then boom, no crease. Oh man, this is gonna be so nice. Okay. This is my Kitsch haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is definitely a different video than I've ever made. I've literally never done a video regarding any kind of hair, tools, styling, anything like that for a haul. So I'm super curious what you guys think. Have you guys ever tried out Kitsch? Have you guys done heatless curls? Let's travel together into my bathroom. Mind you, the lighting is gonna change, but I wanna show you guys.
The only thing that I've owned from Kitsch before I did this haul.
I bought a while ago, so I wanna show you what that is because I feel like that is the thing that they are the most famous for. I've got all my things. Ooh, okay. First thing I'm gonna do is put my little scalp exfoliator. Set that right there in the shower. And okay, last but not least, this is the Kitsch Heatless Curler set. And here is essentially what you're supposed to do. So you're supposed to put it on your head. And if you're a pro, you don't need to do this step, but I'm not a pro, so I do need to do this step. A large clip of some kind, and you just kind of clip it to secure it on the top of your head. And then what you do is you grab a section of hair. I'm not gonna do my whole head right now, but I wanna show you guys how it works. It comes with 2 satin hair ties. You do one side at a time. So you grab a chunk of your hair
and you go
and wrap it around the rod. And you want to do it as tight as possible. And when you bring it back in, after having wrapped it around the rod, you grab more hair. And so it's essentially this odd way of like French braiding your hair around the rod. So you grab now that chunk, which has the first chunk as well, and you tighten it. And then I grab the next chunk and I do that until, and you could literally just see how it would create that curl. So I do that until one whole side is done. Then I do the other whole side. You secure with these little guys, and then you take it out after a number of hours and you have the most perfect heatless curls. It's unbelievable. It is so freaking impressive how well this thing works. I was gonna do it this morning, but then I started to run out of time. So I didn't do it this morning. But I didn't want to hold off in showing you guys my Kitsch haul as well as the Kitsch Heatless Curling set. It's amazing and I'm so excited to get to try out the pillow rods and the Flexi rods as well. And something that I will say, if you have super straight hair like me, this Day Hibiscus Wave Spray, this thing is gonna be your best friend. Spray that all over your hair before you start to style or even like attempt any heatless curls, because it'll make such a big difference. It'll really help your hair to retain the curl. So that was it. that was my Kitsch haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I was really chatty and I was like taking you guys through hair stuff. This is again is a little outside my comfort zone, not a typical video for me, but you guys know that I like trying new things and just seeing what resonates with you guys, and this was super fun. Like, I'm so excited about all these products. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which item that I got from Kitsch you would want the most and you would be the most excited by, and let me know if you want me to show you any tutorials with any of the things that I got, and I will definitely do that in an upcoming video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. It helps to make